Yo guys, Alf here, back with another video. Today I'm doing the pack opening. As you can see, 1050 coins. So 15k. Here we go. First pack. I wonder who I'm gonna get. Probably Jack shit. Oh, robot, rabbit. And one at the end. Nope. Coins, more coins. Suck that. Right, guys, I'm sorry about the camera. Right, pack number two. Messi on the front, Messi in the pack. Campbell. Who's Campbell? 84 page. Jesus. Wait, sorry about this, guys. If you want some, I'll give it you. Go! Guys, I'm going to do a forehead pack in a minute. Oh my god! Who's Reese? Reese. Oh, Mindele! Why am I happy about Mindele? Why am I happy about Mindele? I'm like, wait, I'm the new look pack. You guys are gonna look as well. Oh, what am I doing? I just pressed B on the browse packs. Some of these suggestions are from Keith for English. Go! Skip. Boom! Avliero. Pele! Oh, I got the black Portuguese Pele 75 rated, mate. I mean, that's pretty good. Oi. If I did, I would love my life. Oh, what? No, EA, do your none. Boom. Yay. 360. Right, 360, no scope. Oi, Martial. Oh, a new stadium. I'm discarding all my packs. Guys, last pack. No, one more pack after this. Boom. Oh, wow. Bastos. Who's Bastos? Bastosa. I can nearly get the inform. Guys, last pack. Go out the room pack. Right, skip. And who do I get? Oh, I got Moya. I'm just going in for the dollar. I've already done it. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this pack opening. That's about it. Peace.